panels. Number 1, control unit type MEP660 in MEDA make, Bright Start D7UP in GE make. N-log distribution boxes ADB1, ADB2, ADB3 and ADB4. Number 3, rectifier panel. Number 4, field control panel. Number 5, control ground resistor panel. Number 6, power ground resistor panel. Number 7, generator field resistor panel. Number 8, exciter field resistor panel. Number 9, temperature control resistor panel. Number 10, load control resistor panel. Number 11, reverse current diode panel. Number 12, CPR diode and resistors panel. Control unit type MEP660. It is located in front panel top right side. The MEP660 microprocessor based loco control system developed for diesel electric locomotive takes over the entire locomotive control, replacing the 4 control system available in conventional E-type loco, that is ECP, EXCP, VRP and TRP. The MEP660 continuously monitors the train line signals requested by the operators. A. It verifies the respective feedback signals. B. It verifies various N-log signals like LOP, FOP and EWT, whether they are within the limits. C. It computes them as per the inputs versus output matrix stored in the microprocessor. D. Accordingly, it energizes and de-energizes the required output device. Additional features like superior control over wheel slip, optimum utilization of horsepower. N-log distribution boxes. These are located in front panel top left side. 4 ADBs in version 2 locomotive, 3 ADBs in version 3 locomotive. ADBs converts low voltage source from battery supply 72 volts for ADBs operation. It also checks health of the low voltage with the standard reference and communicate to control unit. This unit contains 8 plug in the type MS connectors for connecting 8 individual sensors through independent cables and 1 connector for connecting analog output signal to drive load meter. RPM distribution box. It is located front panel top left side. RPM distribution box is similar to analog distribution box but handles RPM signals. All 6 traction motor RPM sensors are connected to this RDB. 2 engine speed signals from engine speed sensors interface unit are connected to this RDB. Rectifier panel. There are 2 types of rectifier panels. Alternator mounted rectifier mounted on top of the alternator in generator room. Separately mounted rectifier located in between FTTM blower and back panel in generator room. The rectifier panel converts 3-phase AC to single-phase DC. Field control panel FCP. Exciter field resistor EFR. Generator field resistor GFR. These panels are located in back panel. These panels are connected in excitation circuit. If this panel becomes defective or lose connection, load meter will not respond. Control ground resistor. It is located in back panel. It is connected in low voltage circuit to detect earth fault. If this panel becomes defective or lose connection, earth fault cannot detect during cranking. Power ground resistor PGR. It is located in back panel. It is connected between alternator, neutral point and locomotive body to detective earth fault in power circuit. If this panel becomes defective or lose connections, earth fault cannot detect while normal working. Temperature control resistor TCR. It is located in back panel. It is connected in series with R1 contactor for rotating radiator fan in low speed. If it becomes defective, radiator fan will not work in low speed. Reverse current diode RCD. It is located in front or back panel. It is connected in battery charging unit. If it becomes defective or lose connection, batteries are not charging. Thank you.